Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 14th, 2024. I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. One puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. News of the day. Well, news of today. Well, I've told you that today there's a soccer match between France and Israel. Only 150 fans from Israel and there are also 4,000 policemen in the stadium. Yeah, 4,000 policemen. That's a lot. Waste of money. Yes, that's waste of money. Anyway, let me continue with this one. This one will be number 9590. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, and the hard ones has 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. And for the hard ones I need 30 minutes or more. 4 stars, but it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. 20 to 30 minutes. Don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's a 0 stars or 1 star. 0 stars I need to be faster than 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars, a 1 star, or 0 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. The 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see here triple box and there triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 should be here. So the 1 and 3 are left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the inside box. The inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Here we have also a triple box. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Next question, do we have here quadro boxes? See 2 quadro boxes here and there. Well, these 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadro box. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this quadro box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Well, it's connected with all. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area, supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and the 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be and the 3 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, sorry, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Almost made a mistake. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Then let me see. Let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be 3, can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3. Can be a 4. Suppose it's a 4. Then this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. But we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it can be 4. Should be a 3. And can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box, so 3 is also connected with this box, so 3 is also connected with that box, so a 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. It's definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and 4 goes there. Well, 2 numbers, these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Here. Come on. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. How about the 5? 5 should be here. I'm stuck here. Oh no, 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes with 1. We have 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and 5, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes down. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because give me 1, give me should be a 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Then this box give me 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box give me 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 4 and 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish. 11 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you for watching. So is this a 3 stars, a 1 star, or 0 stars? Well, should be a 0 stars. Have a great and fantastic first day. I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the evening. Bye bye for now.